These guys found a turtle on the shore.
Perhaps he's just chilling out.
Yes.
It's not dead, is it?
But then they discovered what was really going on. It was trapped.
Rescue mission.
Oh, are you joking?
No.
By the waist, wrapped around its leg. They realized they needed to act quickly and free the turtle. One man tried to remove the plastic bottle first. But it seemed impossible. He then realized that he just needed to release the turtle's front leg from the rope. But the challenge was that neither of them had a knife. Soon they found another way to get rid of the rope: burning it with a lighter. It worked, and finally the turtle was free. They waited for it to return to the sea, but it was too tired to move into the water. So they gave it a hand by putting it far into the sea for the waves to carry it away. This turtle was lucky to meet these kind-hearted men today. Not all sea creatures are this lucky. These two people definitely have a great story to tell about their trip. We humans share the earth with other living beings. Whatever we do may also affect their lives. Let's leave nothing behind but footprints wherever we go.